If you want to hide photos and videos on OnePlus 15, here's what you need to do. So I'm gonna use this Photos app in this video as an example, this blue one. And in here, if you want to hide a photo or a video, you can, for example, open a photo or video, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and you can choose lock, and then confirm that you want to do that. Now in this case, you will have to set up a privacy password if you didn't set it up yet. There is a chance that you already set it up by using, for example, the app lock feature or the hide apps option or the private safe. In my case, I actually have to set up the privacy password. I'm gonna also change the password type to something different. There we go. We need to enter the password twice. Then we have the security settings, so you can use a recovery email or you can set up a security question in order to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So in my case, I'm gonna set up the question and the answer. Of course, in your case, you want to set it up properly so that you actually have the chance to recover the password in case you forget it. And there we go, it is now done. So once it is created, we're gonna go back and once again go to the lock option over here and confirm by pressing OK. And there we go, we also have the instruction how to find the locked album, so we can touch and hold the bottom bar or go to albums locked. So this is of course the example of hiding one photo or one video. If you want to hide multiple files at once, then you can press and hold your finger in order to select the first photo or a video, and you can keep selecting more options. Next we're gonna tap on more in the bottom right corner, and we also have the lock option. There we go. Now if you want to find it, then of course we can go to albums, for example, as it was described before, and over here if we scroll down we have the locked option, so we can enter the privacy password and we have access to all photos and videos that we have locked. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.